Hello friends, how are you friends? Welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Greenery. By watching this video, you will be able to make your garden evergreen as I will share various ideas. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive notification of all new videos to enjoy the evergreen ideas for your garden. May you can set grass and can create something attractive that you love, and eventually it will be charming lawn. Even if you have small space, by maintaining your lawn or garden, for sure you will get non-toxic, hygienic, lush green lawn. Plus, add some beauty by planting flowers of your choice.